mga ceiling natin. Hindi natin nilalagyan lahat, pero ang binibigyan lang natin yung emphasis ay yung lulutang yung mid-tone, 'di ba? And lulutang also yung light tone para dyan. Typically sa live session back in the time of the pandemic, ayan, patapos na yung session na to. Kung di ako nagkakamali, this will this was posted in Red Pen Group. It's a Facebook group in Facebook. Ang problema ko lang sa Red Pen Group ngayon, yung mga videos na in-upload ko doon, around I think 45 of them, tinanggal na ni tinanggal na ni Facebook. So merong warning before. I think tinanggal siya probably last 3 to 4 months ago. So, ayan. So, this is the output for the day. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo. And tingnan natin ang malapitan. So, you will see the portion of the ceiling and the drafting area. Some of the flooring and ayan siya. Okay? Konting application pero buhay na. Sign na natin. So, I'm Coxonyo. Thank you for following me here in this platform and I hope to just upload a lot more of my materials specifically during the time of the pandemic. Alright, I guess that's it. Maraming salamat.